Hello student, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate. Welcomes you in 17th lecture of Econ 355. Course title is Structure and Dynamics of Indian Agriculture. In previous lecture, we studied about economic planning in India, in which we studied in detail about meaning and definition of planning, then characteristics of plan, then importance of planning in economic development, etc. Okay, in today's lecture we studied about 5-year plan. So in this lecture we are going to learn about different 5-year plans introduced in India. So first of all, meaning of 5-year plan. So these 5-year plans are centralized and integrated economic program. Okay, so it is centralized and integrated national economic program, and the concept of 5-year plan was came to India from Russia. After this, next point, that is objectives of planning. So first and major objective of planning is to increase national income and per capita income of a country. Second one, that is self-sufficiency and economic development. Then reduction of economic inequalities, full utilization of resources, then maintain price stability in a country, generate full employment, and raise in standard of living of Indian people. These are the some objectives of planning. After objectives of planning, we go through different plan. In that first plan, that is first 5-year plan. So this first 5-year plan was made during 1951 to 1956. Okay, so duration of first 5-year plan, it is 1951 to 1956, and this first 5-year plan was made under chairmanship of or under leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, in this first 5-year plan, the growth model which is used, that is called as Harrod and Domar model. This Harrod and Domar model was used with few modification in first 5-year plan. Okay, and main aim or main focus of this first 5-year plan is agricultural development in a country. Okay, so main aim or main focus of this first 5-year plan is to develop agriculture. Okay, so growth rate of first 5-year plan. So this first 5-year plan was successful and achieved the growth rate of 3.6%. Okay, that means it is more than that of targeted growth rate. It is 2.1, and actual growth rate it is 3.6. This is the first 5-year plan. Then second 5-year plan, the duration of second 5-year plan, it is during 1956 and 61 under leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Then this second 5-year plan was based on P.C. Mahalanobis growth model during 1953. Okay, so this second 5-year plan was based on P.C. Mahalanobis model, and the main focus of this second 5-year plan is industrial development of a country. Okay, then target achieved during second 5-year plan. So during second 5-year plan, the growth rate of 4.5 is targeted growth rate, and actual achieved growth rate is 4.27. That means during second 5-year plan, the growth rate is 4.27. Next one, that is third 5-year plan. So duration of third 5-year plan, it is 1961 to 1966 under leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru. In this plan, it is also called as Gadgil Yojana. This after Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission of Dr. D.R. Gadgil, it is called as Gadgil Yojana. The main target of this plan was to make the economy independent. Okay, the stress was laid on agriculture and improvement in the production of wheat. That means during third 5-year plan, main target is to make economy independent. Okay, then growth rate achieved during third 5-year plan, it was 2.4. Okay, so targeted growth rate it is near about 5.6, but actual growth rate achieved it is 2.4 only. Okay, then after third year plan, next one plan holiday. That means due to the failure of previous plan, that is third plan, the government announced the plan holidays from 1966 to 1967, and main reason behind the plan holidays was Indo-Pakistan War and China-India War, leading to failure of third 5-year plan. That means due to the failure of third 5-year plan, government announced the plan holiday from 1966 to 1967. During this plan, the annual plans were made and equal priorities was given to agriculture and its allied sector and industrial sector. Okay, in this plan holiday, a bid to increase the export in a country, government declared devaluation of rupee. Okay, that means during plan holiday, devaluation of rupee is take. This is the plan holiday. After that, fourth 5-year plan. So the duration of this fourth 5-year plan is during 1969 to 1974 under leadership of Indira Gandhi. So this fourth 5-year plan was start from 1969 to 1974 under chairmanship of Indira Gandhi. The main object of this fourth 5-year plan is growth with stability and progressive achievement of self-reliance. Okay, so fourth 5-year plan, the main objective is growth with stability and progressive achievement. During fourth 5-year plan, major task is there, that is major 14 Indian banks were nationalized and green revolution was started during this fourth 5-year plan. Okay, so during fourth 5-year plan, first and major achievement, that is near about 14 banks were nationalized during 1969 and green revolution was started during this plan. The Indo-Pakistan War during 1971 and Bangladesh Liberation War took place during this plan. This plan failed and achieved the growth rate of 3.3% only against the targeted growth rate 5.6. Okay, due to this war, Indo-Pakistan and Bangladesh Liberation War, this fourth 5-year plan is failed and achieved the growth rate of 3.3 only. Okay, after that, next one, fifth 5-year plan. So duration of fifth 5-year plan is during 1974 to 1978, and this plan was focused on Garibi Hatao, employment, justice, agricultural production and defense. Okay, so major focus of this 5-year plan is on Garibi Hatao, employment, justice, agricultural production and defense, and overall the growth rate achieved during this fifth 5-year plan was 4.8% against the targeted growth rate of 4.4%. So during fifth 5-year plan, growth rate achieved was 4.8%. Then after next point, that is rolling plan. That is after termination of fifth 5-year plan, the rolling plan come into existence from 1978 to 1990. Okay, so after 1980, the Congress rejected the rolling plan and new 6-5-year plan was introduced. Okay, so rolling plan, the duration is 1978 to 1990. Okay, then 6-5-year plan, the duration of 6-5-year plan during 1980 to 1985 under leadership of Indira Gandhi. And the basic objective of this 6-5-year plan was economic liberalization by eradicating poverty and achieving technology self-reliance. Okay, so main objective of the 6-5-year plan is economic liberalization by eradicating poverty and achieving technological self-reliance. Then this 6 5-year plan was based on investment yojana and infrastructure changing the trend to the growth model. Okay, the growth rate which is achieved during the 6 5-year plan was near about 5.7%, which is more than targeted growth rate, that is 5.2%. Okay, after 6 5-year plan, next one is 7 5-year plan. So duration of 7 5-year plan was 1985 to 1990 under leadership of Rajiv Gandhi, and the objectives of this plan to include establishment of self-sufficient economy, then opportunity for productive employment and upgradation of technology. Okay, for the first time the private sector got priority over a public sector in 7 5-year plan. Okay, that means during 7 5-year plan privatization was taught, and the growth rate which was achieved during 7 5-year plan was near about 6.1%, which is more than targeted growth rate of 5.1%. Okay, then after 7 5-year plan, next one is annual plan. So 8 5-year plan could not be take place due to the volatile political situation at the center. So government announced 2 annual programs were formed for the year of 1990 to 91 and 91 to 92. Okay, after this annual plan, next one 8 5-year plan. So duration of 8 5-year plan was during 1992 to 1997 under leadership of P.V. Narasimha Rao. Okay, the objectives of this 8 5-year plan, the top priority was given to development of human resources, that is employment, education and public health. So main focus of this 8 5-year plan is to development of human resource, in which employment, education and public health was concentrated. During this 8 5-year plan, Narasimha Rao government launched the new economic policy of India, and the success of this 8 5-year plan is increasing the growth rate of 6.8% against the targeted growth rate of 5.6%. Okay, after 8 5-year plan, next one 9th 5-year plan. So duration of 9th 5-year plan is during 1997 to 2002 under leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The main focus of this plan was growth with justice and equity. Okay, that means it is the logo of 9th 5-year plan, that is growth with justice and equity. It was launched in 15th year of independence of India. Okay, this plan failed to achieve the growth rate of 7% targeted and achieve the growth rate of 5.6% only. That means during 9th 5-year plan, the target growth rate of 70%, but actual it achieved the growth rate of 5.6%. Okay, after 9th 5-year plan, next one 10th 5-year plan. So duration of 10th 5-year plan was 2002 to 2007 under leadership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Manmohan Singh. This plan aims double the per capita income of India in next 10 years. This main aim of this 10th 5-year plan is double the per capita income of India and aim to reduce the poverty ratio up to 15% by 2012. Okay, so main aim is double the per capita income and reduce the poverty ratio up to 15%. Okay, so growth rate during 10th 5-year plan was achieved near about 7.2%, which is somewhat less than targeted growth rate, that is 8%. Okay, after 10th 5-year plan, next one is 11th 5-year plan. So duration of 11th 5-year plan was 2007 to 2012 under leadership of Manmohan Singh, and this 11th 5-year plan prepared by C. Rangarajan, and its main theme was rapid and more inclusive growth. Okay, so theme for 11th 5-year plan, that is rapid and more inclusive growth, and growth rate achieved was near about 8% against targeted growth rate of 9%. Okay, after 11th 5-year plan, next one is 12th 5-year plan. So duration of 12th 5-year plan was 2012 to 2017 under chairmanship of Manmohan Singh, and the main theme is faster, more inclusive growth and sustainable growth of India. Okay, the main focus or main theme of this 12th 5-year plan is faster, more inclusive and sustainable growth of India. Okay, and growth rate targeted was near about 8% during 12th 5-year plan. Okay, due to uh, the NDA government has dissolved this planning commission with Niti Aayog, and thus there will be no 13th 5-year plan. Okay, that means by this NDA government, this planning commission was dissolved and it is replaced with Niti Aayog, and due to this there will be no 13th 5-year plan. So these are the different 5-year plans in India. So question may be asked, main question, that is objective type question on growth models which is used in different plan period or plan period for different 5-year plan. That means, for example, the first 5-year plan was established during dash dash. Such type of question may be asked on this topic, or write short note on 5-year plan in India. Such type of question may be asked on this topic. Okay, this is all about today's topic, that is 5-year plan. Okay, thank you all.